Hello, Table 1. Today you guys will be working on the vocab terms line and shape. The first thing you'll want to do is go into our classroom here in Google Classroom. Find my classroom and there should be an announcement. Each announcement is labeled with the table that you are in. When you click into the announcement, you'll find a Google Slides presentation that I've created. You should open this up and it's going to look like this. In here, you'll find all of the information I want you to read. You'll also find the definitions I need you to write down, and you're going to be writing them on your notes. Some of your vocab terms have specific definitions that I want you to put in, so make sure you write those. And then for each word, you're also going to draw an example on your notes. So you guys will just be working on the first two words, line and shape. After you do your definition, after you write it down and draw an example, each of you will go online. So I'm going to open up a Google browser and you're going to look for images for each of those terms. For instance, I'm going to look up line examples. So some of these are pretty cool. I'm getting a lot of weird graphs and stuff, which is fine. You just want to get some ideas. This might help you with your own example for your notes. It might help you when you go into your book. So let's say that one's pretty cool. So I like this one. What you're going to do next is you're going to show the image you found to your table mates. Each of you are going to look at each other's images and you're going to vote on which one you like the best. Once you vote, you're going to go back to the classroom, and down here you'll see I've created a Padlet. So when you click on here, it'll open up the line and shape Padlet. Whoever had a photo that they found on the internet that everyone at the table voted for, you're going to go ahead and upload it onto Padlet. How you do that is in the corner. Ooh, can't get this away. In the corner of your screen, you'll see this plus symbol. This allows you to post. So I'm going to click on it. It'll already have your name and you'll just title it. Let's say you guys are working online. So whoever has the photo is the one that's going to upload it. Now, let's say you guys picked mine. Everyone in the table said, you know what? That one looks really awesome. You're going to go ahead and save this photo. So I'm going to save image. This will automatically save in my Google Drive. And I'm just going to go back to my Padlet. Oops. And now I'm going to click the camera button. Choose a file because it's saved on my drive. I'm going to scroll down and find it. Now, one awesome thing about Padlet is that it will do this example to make sure it's the picture that you want to put in. And so you'll say, okay, I like how that looks, and it'll drop in. Now you guys will move on to shape. You'll go back in. You already have your definitions written. You've drawn your example. You go back to the PowerPoint presentation and you'll move on. You're going to do the same thing for shape. You'll find the definition, you'll write it down, you'll draw an example, and then you'll go onto Google and look for an example. So some of these look pretty kitty. I'm going to change this into shape examples in art. Now we're talking. So again, find one you like, show it to the group, then your group will vote on who has the best picture, the best example of shape. If you guys picked this one, because this one's pretty cool, whoever has that photo, you're going to save it and then post it onto the Padlet. So your table for today will have an example of line and an example of shape. Remember, to post on Padlet, just come down to the plus sign and it'll open up a little blog for you. And that's all you have to do today. I'll see you guys in a little bit.